OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, aiming to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. What if an algorithm decided on whether you get a job, a loan, or even housing, and it wasn't a fair decision? If you're one of these people that has had decisions go against you unfairly, you are not alone. As we step into a new year, artificial intelligence becomes stronger, and it's time to talk about a real big issue with this, which is bias in AI systems. AI is everywhere at the moment, from credit scoring and job recruitment to facial recognition. The problem is, AI learns from human data, and human data often contains bias. The scary part is, there is no real explanation to this. As we step into 2026, understanding how to question it is no longer an option. It's a digital life skill. Always question AI reports. If AI makes a decision about you, question it, request explanations, and look for appeal options. Choose transparent AI services. Use platforms that clearly explain how their AI works. Ethical companies always publish transparency and fairness reports. Open a hiring or loan platform. Scroll to AI policy or how decisions are made, and look for keywords like fairness, bias mitigation, human reports. If a service can't explain how its AI works in simple language, it's a red flag. Support ethical AI initiatives, speak up, and learn digital skills so you're not left behind. Need help developing your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our staff for more personalized support. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Link is in the description below. Here are 3 simple, smart AI habits to start using this year. Review AI privacy and decision pages. Use platforms that have human review options, and keep learning digital skills regularly. New year, smarter tech choices. We'd love to hear from you. Share your story in the comments below. How has learning new tech skills changed your life? Or how have our programs supported you? Get in touch with our staff for more personalized support. Check our website out in the description below. Learn in-demand skills like coding basics, social media marketing, and more. Our digital products are both informative and educational. E-books, website templates, designing elements, books, and more. Link is in the description below. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Like and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and in-depth tutorials, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload from OneConnect. Finally, everyone at OneConnect would like to say a huge thank you for all of your support throughout 2025. Next year, we will be back bigger, stronger, and with even better quality videos. Thank you for watching, and have a happy new year.
Now told together.